Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's set the course for Delta Force with strapped external deltoid rotation on the path of least resistance. Secure 2 heavy-duty nylon dog leashes into a sturdy fence, tree, or post. Facing the pick point, put your hands through your leash handles so the loops grip around your wrists. Pin your elbows to your sides and plank back. Then, with your palms facing each other, crank your knuckles out and back, rotating only from the shoulder joint. If you have the form right, you will feel the squeeze in your rear delts and the muscles on your shoulder blades that make up half of your rotator cuff. Once this is easy, you can increase the resistance on the strapped external deltoid rotation by gradually walking your feet closer to the fence. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Build tough buff rotator cuffs with strapped external deltoid rotation on the path of least resistance.